Hi there, this is Brad at Brad's Home Center. Here's one of the most common questions we get: how to hook a cord on a range. Now they come in 3-prong and 4-prong. On this video today we're doing the 4-prong cord. We got another video about the 3-prong cord. And what's the difference between a 3-prong cord and a 4-prong cord? It has 4 wires in it versus 3 wires in it. And yes, the 4-prong cords are heavier. Now, for a range you need at least a 4-foot cord because you want to pull it out, and you want to have at least 40 amps. Some of the newer stoves with glass tops and convection need a 50 amp cord. We're going to open this little sucker up, and by the way, certified cord, not some off-brand blow up your house cord. Here is our strain relief clips. And what do we say about them? They are the most forgotten about part that people don't want to put on their range. It keeps them from pulling it out. And the first thing you always do is straighten her all out, right? And they ask what's the difference between 3 and 4 prong. You see there's 4 prongs here: building ground, signal ground, AC live, and AC live. And when it comes to the other end to hook them on, as I kidded about my dishwasher video, electricians need color coding because they can't read instructions. This green one goes to the case. That is your building ground. White one goes in the center, black to one side, red the other. Ground, hot, hot. Now we're going to take the back panel off and hook her on up. And there we go. You see by the pretty little picture here that we have to take off this strap, because that's what the ground does. Now the first thing I notice that all these bolts are a little loose. I'm going to tighten them all up before we get started. We're going to hook our cord to those 3. And we're going to follow the chart. Black, white, red, and black, white, red, and green down there. Now we're going to slip them in the hole in the bottom. And the one that says GND is your ground. And we're going to put that one on first. White in the center, and then red all the way over there. And once you get them all in, you go back and snug them all up, because as you're yanking on them, they're probably loosening up or doing something. Now, we do the part that everybody forgets. I'm going to relieve my stress. It's the Prozac clamp. What that does, it keeps you from pulling the electrical apart. Then you put back on your cover panel. And you are done. And once again, 4-prong cord, ground, AC neutral, live, live.